first, it's important to understand the Latin root and meaning of discipline is to teach and to learn. So when you think of discipline in our culture, it tends to mean punishment, or people think of punishing or being too stern or some form of punishment, which is not how you want to engage and to have a relationship with your cat. So when you discipline your cat, aka teach your cat, it's important, of course, to set up the environment. The environment is a huge part of what we call applied behavior analysis, or the antecedent arrangement. Then you have a behavior and a consequence. So it depends what your cat is doing that you don't want them to do. But more important, it's important to teach your cat what you do want them to do. And don't focus so much on punishing them for not doing something or for doing something you don't want them to do. And the way we do that is we set up the environment for their success. So, for example, if they're jumping on the countertops or windowsills and you don't want them to, make sure you have adequate vertical space in your home and enrichment devices and spaces where they can hide and hunt and play. If they don't have these outlets and enrichment, they're going to enrich themselves. So, in other words, think of how you can set them up for success. Don't think in terms of punishing them in the way that a lot of North America thinks about in terms of disciplining them, and think about changing your environment to have them thrive in that environment.